Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to shop on TikTok using your laptop. So this is through TikTokShop.com. So with TikTok Shop, you can discover and purchase products directly from creators and brands featured on the platform. So making it easier than ever to grab the latest trends and must-have items. So either it's a beauty product, fashion piece, or a gadget you've seen in a TikTok video, TikTok shops provide a seamless shopping experience. So the first thing we need to do here is, of course, to start by opening your web browser and heading over to TikTokShop.com. So as you can see here, this is their official website. Here, guys, is the official shopping platform where you can explore a wide range of products showcased on TikTok. And then here, guys, if you already have a TikTok account, simply click on log in and sign in with your TikTok credentials. And here, once you're logged in, you will see a variety of products available for purchase. You can also browse through different categories or use the search bar to find specific items that you've seen in the TikTok videos. So, if you decide to purchase the item, you can click on the add to cart button. You can continue shopping or proceed to checkout if you're ready to buy. And that's it, guys. You've successfully shopped on TikTok Shop using your laptop. Now you can enjoy the convenience of shopping for trending products directly from the TikTok platform.